Hi loves, welcome to today's studio session, and this time I want to practice how to draw a poached egg on a toast. So today you'll see all of the coloring process without cutting out important parts. Plus, I'll show you all of the exact colors I'm using and I'll be commenting all of the stages of my work. As usually, I'm using Copic sketch alcohol markers. The paper is two-sided bleed-proof marker paper. And for the textures and highlights, I'll be using a white colored pencil by Caran-d'Ache Luminance. I'll put the list with the materials in the description box. So let's talk about the drawing. The reference picture is from the Pinterest, so if you know the photographer, then let me know and I'll credit the creator. So this is a toast with golden crust and a poached egg on the top with the running yolk. The light is coming from the top left, so my shadows are gonna be on the bottom right. Now I'm making a base beige layer for the toast. The toast is golden yellow on my reference picture, that's why I'm using here yellows and muted oranges. But I want to layer them on top of the beige, otherwise the toast will be too orange. So now I am building volumes with my golden orange colors on top of the beige. Then I'll keep building values with dark oranges and browns. While drawing crust, I'm trying to add more texture to give it a crispy look, working on the shadow from the poached egg as well. And now it's time to add those air pockets on the toast. I'll make them with help of alcohol markers and a white colored pencil. So this stage is all about textures on the toast. Darkening the crust is a final touch for the toast. Now it's time to draw the poached egg, and I start working on the white of the egg. To give those subtle shadows on the white, I am using muted beiges and warm grays. Plus, to give a cooler feel for the shadow, I'm also adding neutral grays. And as well as this is a white object, I am using the light versions of all of these colors. It's time to color the egg yolk. As well as the toast is of a golden color, I want to give that feel to the yolk as well. That's why I'm using very warm and rich yellow colors. Even for the deepest shadows, I'm gonna be using vibrant dark orange. Now that I've built the main values of the yolk, I am adding the highlights with the white colored pencil and giving it the gloss. To make the illustration even more interesting, I am adding the crumbs around the toast, and I'll add the spices around as well. To anchor the toast, so it's not floating in the air, I am adding shadow with help of my neutral grays. The light is coming from top left, so the shadow is gonna be from the bottom right. Let's make the fun part and add spices. I am using dark grays and dark browns for this, making my dots of irregular shape and varying size, some bigger and some smaller. Adding highlights and textures on the spices with a white colored pencil. And to give it more realistic look, I am adding shadows to the crumb and big pieces of spices. Adding soft and light shadows to the bottom right as well. As a final touch, I am adding deeper values here and there and some highlights and textures as well. adding a couple more spices for the interest, and erasing the pencil work that's left. Just a couple of strokes, and this is my finished result. I really like how the golden toast is turned out, and I am also enjoying the shadows on the white, and I'm not sure if this is too much of orange on the yolk. Let me know what you think. And the spices and crumbs around turned out super cool. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about alcohol markers, I am offering clear and easy to follow tutorials on my Patreon page. The link is in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now!